Yeah. Way easier than winter.
Oh yeah. Yeah. John gets sketched out by the bridges. I think
he dropped his bike.
Huh?
I think he dropped it.
Oh. Well, that was a tricky little spark getting through the trees there. I almost dropped mine. But then I remembered the static balance.
We watched the John in his natural habitat. Shh, don't spook him. I hear him. He approaches. Four-stroke flame out. It's a steep little hill with rocks that kick you around.
I know.
Weird.
Like I said, I almost tried to dab, and then I realized that dab would have been a death dab.
Yeah, just keep your feet on.
It was downhill. I would have totally tumbled, and I managed to static balance my way through it. But I really wanted to dab. Like,
he's in a predicament because he's starting on the hill, so it's hard to get your feet up for that second and in position.
yeah. Now he's gonna cross the bridge.
Now he's got to choose between the creek or the bridge. He takes the bridge. See, he puts his front tire on it, and then it like psychs him out to get the back tire over.
Yeah, I'm one of those people that I just have to just go. You just get psyched out by all the bridges.
Once you put the front tire, you just got to keep going.
I know. It's a mental game for you.
That was just horrible.
A little tricky.
I was worried that bridge wouldn't support 269-pound bike plus a 200-pound passenger. I was thinking, is this bridge going to hold this nearly 500 pounds? And then I got my camel pack on and all my gear.
Yeah, all the extras.
Close to 500 pounds here.
Alright, we will pause this. Oh, looks like he's goggling up. What time?
1:35. Is that a huge hill right there?
Yeah, that's what April said. Going down here and then up the other side.
That looks like a rock face.
It is.
Has
She
anyone
said
done it?
Like hobbits.
Yeah, has anyone done it?
I think Gehan did it.
You think Josh did it?
I don't know that he counts.
Well, I don't know that he did it.
I'm pretty sure him and what's the other guy? Johnny Ian. I know their name and when they were naming the rocks, Gehan Rock and English Rock or whatever it is, Johnny's Rock.
Oh, that's the one they called English Rock.
Yeah.
Mine was pretty.
I didn't even see yours because I was rolling down the hill.
Well, I almost fell